Hello everyone, welcome into this channel, and today's video is gonna be a video for a beginner user of the CapCut. So I would like to explain how to use CapCut for the beginner. So the first thing you have to do is just go open the CapCut. Just need to go click to open the CapCut application, and this is the look of the CapCut whenever you open it. If you never create any project, so here will be blank. So the only thing that you have to do is just go click this part. Click a new project to start a new project, and you will be generated into your video searches or video collection on your phone as well as the photo. So you just need to find out the videos or photo that you want to edit. Okay, so for example, let's edit this video, and after you just finish picking the video, you just need to go click add, and now you already have a project that you can start work with it. And how to edit it, you just need to use all of the features that provided by the CapCut tones here. If you want to edit this clip, just go click the clip, and after that exporting the tools that appear in down here. For example, if you want to add the animations, it's just a simple things in editing. Add the animations on the clip. So you just need to go click it, and after that you just need to pick one animations that you want to add into the clip. For example, this zoom one, and you can also adjusting the durations. So the longer the duration means that the movement is also slower. So you just need to find out which speed that you want to add. And whenever you're done, you just need to go click done. If you want to edit more and more, you just need to explore every tools that appears on this screen. Just click everything, all is free. And whenever you're done editing your video, to save this video, you just need to go click this part to export it. Remember, don't close the CapCut or even lock your screen. So whenever it's done, it's gonna be like tells here saved to device, and you just need to go click done. If you want to do another or further editing, you just need to go click the project that already saved on your CapCut and do another editing. And if you're done or you want to stop for today's editing, just go back. That will be automatically saved on your CapCut. So that's the way how to use CapCut for the beginner. If you find that this tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.